Welcome to the Business Resource and Innovation Center's Business Databases Introduction Series. Today, we will review Mergent Intellect First Research, which is a comprehensive market research database primarily used to search for information about industries and the trends, issues, and news related to those industries. It's easily accessible, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing. Mergent Intellect focuses on major industries and trends, the big picture. To access Mergent Intellect First Research, first you want to navigate to our Business Services page at freelibrary.org/business. You then want to scroll to the bottom of the page until you see a link that says Premier Business Databases. Once you click on this link, you will be taken to a list of the 13 databases we primarily use for business research. They are listed in alphabetical order, so you want to scroll until you see Mergent Intellect. Mergent Intellect is a collection of databases, so once you get to the home page, you want to scroll until you see First Research. If you are using your home computer, you will have to enter your library card and PIN number before you can access this page. Once you get to the home page of First Research, you will then have to enter an email address. Once you enter your email address, you will finally gain access to the database. You have to start by entering a keyword or an industry code. Industry codes are also known as NAICS codes, which stands for the North American Industry Classification System, which is the way that U.S. industries are classified by the Census Bureau. If you do not know your NAICS code, you can start by doing a simple Google search and then cross-checking that answer on the governing website of census.gov/NAICS. If we pop over to Google, I typed in beauty salon NAICS code and I received this code 812112. We're now going to take this code and enter it on the NAICS website to see what it says about this industry. Once you get to the NAICS website, you want to enter the code in this first search field, and it will give you a result. You can review this blurb, and if this sounds like what your business does in terms of services or products that you sell, you can use this as one of your industry codes. Some businesses will have more than one NAICS code. If we return to First Research, we're going to enter that code here. Once you enter your code, you will be given a list of results. As I mentioned before, Mergent Intellect First Research focuses on major industries and big trends. So you can see that beauty salons are categorized under hair care services. When I click on this result here, we will be taken to the profile for hair care services. Once the profile has loaded, you'll be able to see a brief industry overview at the top here that will describe exactly what this industry entails and the types of businesses that operate in it. On the upper right-hand corner, you will see a date. This is the quarterly update for this specific industry. As you can see, it was recently updated, as all industries are updated on a quarterly basis based on the industry. If you scroll, in the center of the page, you will see an overview of various topics related to this industry. You can read the blurbs or click on the links to get more information about that specific topic. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see a number of other choices that you can use to search this profile. There are a few choices that we would like to highlight. One is the news and social. Here you can sign up to get email updates about your specific industry as they happen. The critical issues. You can learn about issues facing this particular industry. They usually list 2 to 6 issues and can be very important in navigating how you determine what is going on in your industry and what you may face as a business owner operating in that industry. Business challenges. Business trends, which gives you some insight as to what's working currently in your industry. Opportunities, which can help you gain insight on how to grow, as well as call prep questions, which doesn't seem that intuitive, but it's a very important topic that we should explore. Call prep questions allows you to prepare yourself for questions that you might get about your specific business in your industry. They're important questions that you can review to have answers to for yourself, and also if you need to supply them for investors. One important part to pay attention to is the customer's marketing, pricing, and competition, because it can help you answer those very important questions under these very important topics. On the left here, you can also see related industries to this searched industry, and it's fully cross-referenced. If you scroll back to the top, you can also save this profile in a PDF or a copy and paste version, and you can also print it so that you can have this information at hand whenever you want. At the bottom here, there is an option to view other websites and acronyms, which will provide additional resources about your industry. This can be very helpful when trying to expand your network or do even more market research. Lastly, if you want to see archived profiles based on your industry, you can use this drop down and see all of the industries that were ever published about your specific industry. Thank you for watching this overview of Mergent Intellect First Research.